In this video, I will walk through some of the basic points in Autocad. It isn't that important to know what these items are called, but if you want to look up where to find something and it references it, it's important to know. This is the ribbon, this area right here, from here to here. These are tabs, so you have the Home tab, the Insert tab. There's also contextual tabs, so if I create a shape and I insert a fill, a contextual tab for hatch creation will pop up. So this normally isn't visible, and when I close it, it will vanish. And then there's groups. There's also the viewport configuration, so I can configure, maybe I want to move around over here. I can just go back to single. I can also change the view. Now, what I did here was I switched from top to, I can create a 3D view. Now if I create a object, so in order to create a 3D object, it's found under 3D modeling. Create a box. Okay, so and this setting is the same as this setting. This setting might be a better place to see it because you can kind of see an overview, but this menu isn't always visible, so maybe if this option can't see it, you can view it from here. But if it is here, you can see the difference between the different views. So I can look at wireframe, shades of gray, sketchy, and it's even possible to create additional visual styles. So I can change the face description. I can change the color. These represent different documents. I can share a document. Maybe I have a friend. So to do this, I would have to save the document. So I can just save it in a clearly marked place. Auto.